Okay, Year 9s, this is the last of our optional videos, and in this one we're looking at mixed numbers. And so here's our first example, and we'll start by copying that out because that's what I've asked you to do for all of these questions. So we'll copy that into our books. And so when we're working with mixed numbers, what we want to do is make the mixed numbers into normal fractions. So with that first mixed number, it's over 3, so we're going to write a single number over 3. And if we think of 3 wholes, well, if we're talking about thirds, there's 3 thirds in a whole. So if we've got 3 wholes, we've got 9. So we've got 9 thirds and 1 more third, so that's 10 thirds in total. If you're not sure how to do that, you can use your calculator as well. If you go 3, ABC1, ABC3, your calculator can convert it for you if you want as well. Okay, and we'll change divide into times, and then we'll reciprocate the second fraction, which means write it around the other way. Okay, now we've got it in that form, we can times top with top, bottom with bottom, and that gives us 50 over 6, and we can simplify that to 25 over 3. And since we had our question in mixed numbers, we'll put our answer back in mixed numbers as well. And so 3 goes into 28 times with 1 left over. Sorry, 3 goes into 25 8 times with 1 left over, and we're dividing by 3. So that's how we can work with mixed numbers in that case. Okay, let's look at an example where we're subtracting, which will be the same as if we're adding as well. So we'll start by writing out the question. I want you to get in the habit of doing that, please. And so 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, so we've got 16 over 5, minus, and then we've got 5 plus 4, which is 9, so 9 over 5, and 16 minus 9, that gives us 7, and that's over 5. So writing that as a mixed number, 5 goes into 7 once with a remainder of 2, and we were dividing by 5. And that's how we can do that sort of problem. So that's how I want you to set it out. Copy and make your working go down the page like that, and have a go at these questions. Just do a selection of each. Don't do every single last question, but make sure you mark your work as you're going.